So if you didn't see that clip before, make sure you stick around and watch the whole video so you can actually see when it happens. It was pretty dang close, and it would have been really bad if we had actually hit him, because the guy had gotten out of his car and was walking around, the co-driver was. So if we had smacked into the car would have ended up hitting him, and he probably could have got decently hurt from that, and it probably would have been really bad. It was still a red cross, and they smacked that tree really hard that they actually crashed into initially. So I think the co-driver had a concussion, and the driver might have had a concussion as well. Now you'll see in that video that kind of like shook my confidence a little bit in the stage. I like randomly like start talking about it like 2 minutes later in the clip. So it's just super weird, and this was a really fast stage, so I was already kind of like losing my mind because it was a very quick stage. I think our average speed on this one was about 62, 63 miles an hour or something pretty high, even with all the chicanes and some of the tighter stuff that you actually drove through. We had a pretty decent average speed going, which, yeah, it was pretty far off like the fastest cars. They still had like 85 miles an hour or something crazy on that stage, but moving pretty good for like our level of experience. But she did really well. She stayed on the notes, I think, the entire time, didn't get lost at all. Did a lot better than the last stage we both did. I think once we started to wake up and get more into the groove of stuff, that it really started flowing, and we started meshing really well together. But it was a lot of fun. You guys will see it. I won't ramble too much about it, but there were some parts where I was definitely kind of confused, where I was like in the black driving, she called a hairpin, and I'm like, where is it? I couldn't see it. Yeah, pretty funny, looking back and watching the video, but I'll stop rambling.
Thank you.
Alright, this is fast flowy stage. Not in the beginning though. Pretty tight in the beginning. Uphill. Ready?
Yep.
Gee. Oh man. I could definitely use a nap.
Yeah, me too. Alright, right 6 into left 6, 120, left 6. Kind of a straightaway.
Alright.
Man, it's gonna be hard to like make sure I find my place. Right 6 long into left 6, 120. Here's your right 6, left 6, 120, into another left 6. Right 6 over small crest, 30 into a left 5. Your left 5 into a right 6 over crest, 120. Small crest into a right 5 no cut. Right 5 no cut into a left 6, 70. Left 6, 70 into a right 5 over small crest, 120. Right 5 over small crest, 120 into a left 6 very long tightens to a 5. Your left 6 tightens to a 5, 70. 70 into a right 5 over small crest into a bridge. Right 5 over small crest into a bridge, 150 into a left 5. Because your left 5 into small crest, 70. Small crest 70 into a left 6, 180. Right 6, 120. Right 6 right here, 120 into a right 5 long.
That was bad.
Yeah. Here's your right 5 long, 30 into a left 5. Left 5, 70 into a left 6. Your left 6 plus 120 into a right 6 over crest. Here's your right 6 over crest into a left 6, 100. Into another left 6, 150. Into a right 6, right 6, 70. Into a left 6, 30. Into a right 6. We're going to come up on a double caution. Right 6 into a left 6. Into a right 6. Here's our double caution, chicane, right entrance. Double caution, chicane, right entrance.
Oh man, that's soft.
Yeah.
Really soft, jeez.
Yeah, shoot. All right, 250 into a right 6 long. 6. Left 6 into a right 4 tightens. Here's your right 4 tightens to a 3. 70. Right 5. So your 3. 70 into a right 5. Right 5 into a left 6 long, 100. Your left 6 long, 100 into a left 5 long. Left 5 long, 120 into a left 5 tightens. Left 5 tightens right here, 70. Left 5 tightens, 70 into a right 4. 70 into a right 4 right here, 120. Right 4, 120, caution chicane, right entrance. Chicane! We're gonna go 50 into a left 5. Left 5 into a right 5 long. Here's your right 5 long, 70 into a left 5 long. Left 5 long, 70 into a right 6. Right 6, 50 into a left 6. After your left 6, you have a caution, right 4, extra long tree on the outside. Right here, tree on the outside. 150.
Oh.
Let me get out. I dropped my notes.
You good? Are you good?
I dropped my notes.
You're good.
Okay, I'm good. All right. 150 into a left 6 long tightens to a 4. Left 6 long tightens to a 4. Into a right 4. So be careful for the right 4 coming up. It's loose. Right 4 loose tightens. Right 4 loose tightens, 70. Into a left 6 100. Left 6 100 into a crest. Left 6 long.
That guy really needs to throw his cones out.
Yeah, he did. That's very dangerous. Someone's gonna crash.
He was right in front of us.
30 into a left 5 over crest. 50 into a right 5 tightens to a 4 over crest right here. Right 5 tightens to a 4 into a left 6. Left 6, 50 into another left 6, extra long, crest, 70 into a right 6. Right 6 over crest, 70 into a left 5 tightens to a 4, long. Left 5 tightens to a 4, long. Over crest, 100 into a right 6, no cut. Right 6, no cut into a right 5. Is your right 6 no cut into a right 5. Into a left 5, 150. Left 5, 150, crest into a left 3, very loose. Left 3, very loose, 120. Into a right 6. Right 6 into a left 4. Right 6, here's your left 4 over crest, very long. Left 4 over crest, very long, into a right 4 off camber. Right 4 off camber, 30, into a right 5 off camber. Right 5 off camber, 100. Right 5 into a small jump right here. Right 5 over a small jump, sorry, 100. Into a right 4, no cut. Right 4, no cut, loose. Loose into a left 6 tightens, very long. Left 6 tightens, very long. Into a small crest, 50. Right 5 tightens to a 4 long after this.
Tightens to a 4?
Here's your crest. Right 5 tightens to a 4. 100. 100 into a left 4 over crest right here. Left 4 over crest. Into a right 5, 120. Right 5, 120 into a right 4. Here's your right 4 into a left 5 over crest. right 4 into a left 5 over crest right here, long. Left 5 long into another left 5. There's your second left 5 into a small crest into another left 5 right here. Into a right 5 tightens to a 3 very loose. This is going to tighten to a 3 very loose. Stay left. Stay left into a right 5 crest. Right 5 into crest into a left 4. Left 4 short over crest into a right 5. Right 5 into a right 6 over small crest. Right 6 into a left 4 no cut. Left 4 no cut into a left 4. Left 4 120 into a right 4 tightens long. Like right 4 tightens long. This is very long. Into a left 4 tightens to a 3. Left 4 tightens to a 3. Into a left 4 over crest extra long. There's your left 4 over crest extra long. Into 70. 70 into a right 6. Over crest caution. Left 4 down. Left 4 down caution. Into a right 4 tightens. Right 4 tightens. There we go, this one's very long. Into a left 5 tightens to a 4. Crest, left 5 tightens to a 4 into a caution, right 1 turn. You got 100, here's a caution, right 1 turn narrow.
Where is it?
Right here. Nice, nice, nice. 900. 900. I've never seen 900.
All right.
After this large small crest right here, you've got 250. All right, 250 into a left 6. Here's your left 6. You're going to want to slow down. There's a caution left 6 after this.
All right.
Caution left 6, it tightens to a 2. This tightens to a 2 with a small jump. Right here. It's a 2, drop starts, and there's a caution chicane. Chicane right entrance. Right entrance into a left 6. It's soft over here. Yeah, sweet. All right, left 6 into a right 5. There's your left 6 over a crest into a right 550. Got a long crest 100 into a right 6 30 into a left 5. Left 5.
Oh fuck.
200, stay left.
I'm gonna slow down. Brakes went to the floor.
Oh.
You're good. Just keep
All right,
calling notes.
left 6, no cut, crest into, we are gonna come up on a right 6 and then I will be found. All right, here's the right 6 into a left 5, no cut down. Right 6, left 5, no cut down. Into a right 4. Right 4 tightens over small crest. Into a right 5 with a small jump. Right 5 with a small jump. Into a right 6. Into a caution left 5 tightens to a 3 down. Caution left 5 tightens to a 3 down. No cut. Into right here. 70 into a small crest. Here's your crest into a right 6. Right 6 into a left 5. Into a right 5. Into a left 4 over crest. No cut right here. Into a caution right 4 over bridge tightens. Into a right 4 minus. There we go, a right 4. Into another bridge. And then the finish is pushed 100. Here we go. Into a left, right, slow down.
I am.
Okay, I'm not sure where we at. Left
I know,
4.
I'm just slowing down slowly so I don't crash.